Let's start September off with a bang. Yes, we have got our Morella Discovery sailing from Montego Bay round trip for the entire winter season. Starts the 17th of December and goes to the 14th of April as a final departure. And we've got some brand new itineraries, including our Secret Shores, the Panama Canal Experience, and Flavors of the Caribbean. And those are going along with the loved favorites Exotic Explorer, Pride of Panama, and we have two versions, as a matter of fact, of our Pride of Panama. The big news is our reduced deposits, 50% off, has been extended. So you have another week to take advantage of the reduced deposits offer. And we have also a cash back at final payment if you do your deposit on any of these 6 wonderful itineraries for this coming week. So we're going all the way from today to the end of the first week of September. And we will take even a Sunday booking just to make sure that everybody gets in on this offer. But it's a limited time offer. There's so much to do. That is big for starting September. Summer has been great and we have enjoyed sharing with you. We're pleased to have as our guest Peter Ruddock. And unbeknown to him, he took up our challenge to do a staycation and to have it centered around Portland. And so it was by sheer coincidence that I saw his photos and saw the rave that he was sharing with us about his wonderful time in Portland. So, as my special guest on this podcast, I will be inviting Peter Ruddock to not only tell us a little bit about his experience in Portland, but also to tell us a little bit about himself. And who knows, he might even be able to give us a travel tip or two as we build our staycation portfolio in the wonderful parish of Portland.
Hi, my name is Peter Ruddock. I'm a professional with two lovely children. So my professional disciplines cover the pharmaceutical space, the lecturing space, and the renewable energy space. So you can see the theme, all sort of coexisting in one with nature. So this is about my staycations, my vacations, all about creating memories, family memories, which are the most precious kind. And so you want to share those experiences with your family. And so my not so little kids anymore, one in university, one going to sixth form, for its bonding and also to share with them that there are so many treasures in this little God bless island of ours that you can actually be a part of, and to also know the healing power of nature, not only in terms of on your mental state, your emotional state, just to hear the waves, the wind, the relaxation, to see the sunshine and the beautiful blue sea. So that's what it's all about, to be at one with nature, not too far removed basically from what I'm doing in my life in the pharmaceuticals and renewable energy, just about a sort of healing space and in one with nature. So to me, that's what it's all about. And in terms of travel tips, certainly in Jamaica you have rain and you have sunshine, and the incidence of rain increases in Portland. So guess what? Be prepared with your umbrella and be prepared with your sunscreen in the same breath. But overall, be prepared to just let your hair down, put your feet up, get your body wet, and just have a great time. All right? Enjoy your staycation wherever you are. For Portland represents for just 2.5 hours outside of Kingston, a piece of Jamaica that is sort of unspoiled. We stayed at the Sea Cliff Resorts, which I discovered just this year. And if you want somewhere that's going to be just sort of rustic, you know, just kissing against the Caribbean Sea again on a cliff, personalized service, a small property, beautiful, just outside of Manchi O'Neill, then Seacliff Resorts is a place to be. Nice combination of warm wood, concrete for the foundation, a hammock on every balcony. You can't escape the bright blue sea everywhere you go. So that was great for the family, and sort of taking the kids generation next into just experiencing the beauty of the country through a staycation. And of course have to get them into Boston to taste the authentic and world-renowned cuisine. And just in that little place there, maybe like a tripartite of things. Of course, because you have Boston Beach next door, lovely beach, very clean, great vibe going on the day. And of course, just next door, sort of cutting to the hillside, is a very unique concept called the Great Huts, sort of a jungle type setup where you can get the experience from modern with AC to sort of an Arawak experience where no windows, almost like a cave carved into the hillside. Nightly entertainment, great food, very friendly host, including dogs, which come and accompany you on a tour. So it's very unique and quite lovely. And of course, as you saw in my little videos there, Rio Grande, second time down it, first time with the children, and just lovely, very professional setup, very safety conscious, and it was awesome, very relaxing. You could fall asleep going down, just to show my kids and to discover for myself as well. I say lovely gems here. The blue hole there, swam in it, 65 meters deep. We got videos of turtles out. Heard the history of the area, how many movies had been shot, how many famous people had stayed along the Blue Lagoon in some very exclusive looking villas. So all in all, just a whole lot to absorb and to drink up in this country. So it was great. It was really nice. You felt half a world away, even though you're just a couple of hours away from the hustle and bustle of Kingston. So for us, wonderful time. Great food. Even the changing weather of Portland. Sometimes you have sun, rain, and lightning, but then it all came out to a lovely day, and you could enjoy yourself as a family. So, yep, just a lovely time. Okay, so rafting down the Rio Grande, and it's extremely relaxing. It's about 3.5 hours down, about 7 miles, rafting down this great river. Never dried up, run low sometime, but yeah, it's something to do for sure. I recommend it. Very professional setup, and very therapeutic. It's lovely seeing the sights and sounds of Jamaica. A staycation has to include rafting down this magnificent river.
Thank you so much, Peter. That's just awe-inspiring. And as we continue to journey through this podcast, we encourage you to ask your questions. No question too big, no question too small. We are here to make travel easy and affordable. And by the way, remember, we have the Share Fantastic Travels YouTube channel. It's been going very, very well. It has tons of information and it will really help you to select that trip. And our featured trip for this podcast is the sailings from Montego Bay aboard the Morella Discovery 2. And guess what? Just by going onto our YouTube channel, watching a video of your choice, subscribing, liking, and sharing, and making a comment that would encourage others to view our videos, and then making your purchase to sail on any of our 6 itineraries for the upcoming season for the Morella Discovery, you win in Jamaican dollars an automatic discount of $20,000. Yep, you heard it right. Only here at Share Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited. We love to see you smile. Ciao for now.